is what happens when a predator gets in the net. They tear it up. So that's we got a good fish, but then we got a damaged net. Bigger one. Bluefin trevally. And there's the school of Mobile. Anyway, we have fresh sashimi. We're in the backyard again. And there's the catch of the day. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jacks and several sardines. All within about an hour. So can or can't you fill a cooler with fish straight from your backyard? Time to transfer them into a cooler and then we'll see if we can fill a cooler right in our backyard. Well, it looks like you can only fill half a cooler. Halfway. But since it's in your backyard, that's, I guess, not so bad. Time for the ice. Well, it appears that if you include the ice, then you can almost fill up the cooler. I guess that's some sort of consolation. Oh, by the way, a lot of you might, especially if you're non-Palauan, might be wondering why do I get all these fish, like the extra fish or whatever. I have several female relatives. Some are widowed, some are single moms. And it's not only proper in Palauan custom to pay attention to your female relatives, but also they could use the extra fish since some of them are widows and some are just single moms. Well, I guess you could almost fill the cooler with just fish. If you put in a little bit more sardines. Now there's just enough space for ice on top. And while you're filling up the cooler, it happens again, the predators came, and so all right, that's too much work already. Or maybe it's time to change the coolers. Oh boy. Yeah. Or a separate cooler. All right. That's that.